round of applause. That was Mr. Atticus playing Beethoven's Sonata in F major. I'm going to open the polls. Be careful who you vote for. I'm kidding. All right, there's your poll. And Atticus, you might want to get a piece of paper out just so you can get some details on your feedback. All right, Mr. Matt Wong has raised his hand. Go ahead.
Okay, so I think the left hand was way too loud, and it was slightly the coordination between the hands was a bit off. It was a bit uneven, and I think it was a bit too top heavy.
Okay. Those are good feedback points. Atticus, hopefully you didn't leave the building. We can't see you. Oh, there you are. Now we see you. How come there are 8 people who have completed the poll? That is not okay. Atticus is like, I boosted my own score. Atticus, you cannot complete your own poll.
My own score.
You cannot complete the poll.
But I put
ruins...
like 1 on everything.
Okay, well.
Wasn't boosting.
Doesn't matter. You still can't complete the poll because it ruins the numbers. Okay, so now we know what the score is that Atticus put on every single one. He said he put 1. But anyway, you don't need to self-mutilate here. Let's get other feedback. Allison?
You need to make the pianos really soft. You should work on your memory because there are holes. The last few measures were uneven and your left hand was too loud.
Yeah, so I think we heard about 1% of that. So what she said was you need to move more, and something was too loud. And then she said soft, but she said soft, so soft that we can hear what she said. So I'm not sure if anyone caught that. On the other hand, Numan has a nice loud voice. Let's hear this nice and loud voice.
So I thought you could implement more dynamic range, and also I agree with Matt in the sense that you need to your left hand needs to be softer, and yeah.
Yeah, so mostly balance issues. If we look at the poll and we reduce all of the poll by 1 vote, it looks like dynamic seems to be between a 2 and a 3, with articulation being pretty good. That's a big change. And what I like about this poll is you guys are almost always right. Like, I really agree with that. I agree that Atticus, I think your dynamics need work. And at best it was okay. I do think that your articulation was clear, but there also could be improvements that you could do. Balance was okay, and some people it needs work. Phrasing seems to be all over the board, but needs work. So there's just a lot of details missing from the performance. So I know you just moved, so you'll have more opportunity to work on this. But let's move forward. Hopefully you wrote some of that down. If not, I've recorded it, so I can always send it to you.